Okay, you guys, so I have put off putting this shed up since Christmas. Well, since I took my tree down, which was like the last week of December, maybe the first week of January. And it's like, 50 degrees outside, whatever. I got these overalls for a reason, to work in my garage when it's cold. And right now, I just need to get it together and put this shed up. It's like a small plastic shed. I think it's like a 3.5 by 10, something like that. I bought it so that I could put all my tree stuff in since I have a tree now. I just need to do it because it's not getting any warmer outside. So what I'm gonna do is put on my gear and then I need to move all that stuff outside. Hopefully I can do this in 2 hours because it's about to get dark here shortly. So stay tuned. Here goes nothing. By the way, I got these overalls from my thrift store. My mom had them in there, and I was just like, oh, even though they're like ski pants, but multi-purpose, because I'm not skiing nowhere. I'm gonna throw on my hoodie. Hopefully my neck stay warm. How cute are these? Bam, 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 bam. I got some food in the oven, so I got 10 minutes to get this stuff outside.